So hi, good morning everybody. This is just really a quick intro video to essentially what I'm doing today. I have travelled down to BD Performance. We are going to get a number of jobs done today. One, we're going to do the block mod, mainly because I needed to get a cam belt done. So we're going to do the cam belt, tensioners and water pump at the same time and get that essential, or not essential really, but it's a bit of safety if you like on that block mod. Then we are going to do get the spark plugs changed. I've got the B8 shocks, Bilstein B8 shocks that are going on to the lowered springs. That has been causing me some trouble, or just the steering, suspension possibly. That needs to be looked at to find out what's going on there. The car has been playing up and it's been getting worse, having steering problems. My gearbox has been playing up, so we are going to change the gearbox. And what else are we going to do? We're just going to tie up a few odd jobs, make this car hopefully 100% and back to what it was. We're not going to fit a massive turbo, which I would have loved to have done. Hi, is that Darren?
Hi, you alright?
Yeah, hi, it's Chris.
How are you doing?
Yeah,
Nice
very
to meet
well.
you.
I'm here to book the car in.
Yeah, so we've got you booked in for block mod, a few other bits, suspension.
That's
stuff
right.
Like that.
Yeah, I'm
nice to meet you.
And you too.
So basically, you've got the groove in here where we're going to put the shim is still nice and open, plenty of room for us to put a shim in. Essentially, when they're left and they approach cracking, you see that the gap tends to close up.
Right.
When you've got the liner that's expanded, or gone oval that way. They tend to expand and close that gap, and that's generally when they end up cracking, is when they've expanded.
Wow.
But you can see that the gap's really tight and you would never get a shim in anyway.
Get you one more time.